All right, today we're gonna bring a P-trap for your sink, your bathroom sink. Comes with everything you see in here, including the plumbing tape, the actual assembly kit, instructions. Look at this nice stainless steel look, and you got the bottom P-trap on it, and of course the cover for the sink. This is for the top of the sink, and then we got our main pipe. This pipe could be adjusted, all right, and it does have the end. And if it's too long and it hits your wall, you can always cut it too. So stainless steel. It's kind of nickel plated. I guess you see that. So we are gonna demo it here. We're gonna set it up in our sink here, and it's an empty sink that we're gonna set it up, and I'm gonna show you how to work on it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, just to let you guys know, I'm not a professional. I'm going by instructions how to put this together. You guys can see I'm gonna dress it up. This thing goes all the way down here. That kept going. This thing goes in there for the drain. Now we're going to do the inside on the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and take you down there. All right, we got the bottom going. In the bottom, we got a bunch of setups that we have to do, especially the caps. So on there, make sure all the caps are on first. Lock in place. And to lock it in place, you could use a tool or thread it by hand. All right, that's good enough for now. We're gonna use this part right here, which goes on here. You guys can see that, and we do have to make sure that there's a washer in there, and you got to tie it up. There we go. Washer goes in there. Pipe goes in here, washer goes in there. For this pipe right here will be this, so it could fit any cuts that you need, and that's pretty much it. So we're gonna remove this, but that's how it goes pretty much. Demo purposes, I took out the cap. All right, you can screw it off and take it off if you guys can see that. We're gonna drop this in there. Say it goes in there. So say you lose a ring, we're gonna go ahead and put this back, and the way you put this back. All right, retrieving stuff, taking it out. Look at that, there it is. So you're able to easily remove this and clean it up.